walang help. Lagyan natin to. Doon siya na. Uy! Mas mama dito. Ang ganda ng damit niya. Ito, astig. Tarong back. Wow, ang galing. Galing. Uy. Ba't may bat tayo dito? Bat, barap, bat, darap, parap, barap, barap. A pizza shop mysteriously disappears late at night. One week later. Million. Nagawa lang siya ng pizza. Uy! Sinaksak. Sana tayo. Hey guys, thank you for coming over. I've been scared. Okay. Pulang tayo dito. At maghintay ng palabas. Sige, about the missing person. Yes. Hi guys, I'm recording. I'm recording. So this is mine. Breaking news, missing person. Ang tagal naman ng bilangan. 3, 2, 1. Ay. Kulaw di ako makatayo. Oh, tignan nyo tayo. Trinig ko pa. Oh, di ako makatalo. Hala. Parang walang bakit sa akin. Break. Illegal missing. Dapat may mouse dyan. Please ang mas criminal. Please stay inside until police find him. Look. Who you think you will find me? Wala, takbo. Wala ang payat. Kasing payat ko. Hala. Oh no. Ito lang si Shabaribo. Papasin ka namin kata. Ayun! You've been chosen to die. Ay, tubo. Saan ba yun? Ayun, ay. Sana wala. Wala. Gagawin ko sa kanya. Wala nang hulog. And now, you're all next. The Maxman is here! Run! Tatakbo tayo. Uy, lang. Uy, nakakakyan. Patay ka na mamaya. Patay ka na mamaya. Uy, bye-bye. If you wish to find the missing chef, look for the first clue in the... Pinaghanap mo pa kami, tol. Upo na lang kami dito. Ayoko hanapin yung first clue. The monster's gone. What just happened? The monster tried to make us go missing to the Okay, the monster said we should find a clue in the forest. Let's walk until we find something. Ikaw na mauna dyan. Babay na. Stay close behind. It is very dark and scary. Wala na kayo dyan. Bye-bye. Yun, yun na kayo. Right? Tama. Uy, yun na. Huwag ka dito, ma. Naka-smiley face lang siya. Hindi siya nakatila. Kahit dito na, Shane. Pasok na tayo. Wala dito. Saan ba yun? Ay, baka... Ay! Nandun sa baba, nakita na. Ay, hindi. Baka sa taas talaga. Found the clue one. Masked monster. He's alive. I'm not alone. We found the first clue. Congratulations. And this is a trap. You will know now to be. You will now to be stuck. See you soon. Masama naman. Kailangan ko pupuntahan aking friends. Are we trapped in a hole? Yes. Pwede lang pala tayo sa bintana ko. Kasamanta ba si Shane? Tayo na lang. Iwanan natin si Shane. So, what are we going to do now? Dito ba? We found it. Now what? Asan? Ayun! Hindi ko na pagkita ito ah. Huh? Uy! Yun na. Uy! Uy, upstairs. Now let's climb up. Climb up. Okay, master ako dito. Hindi ako mapipigilan. Oops. Easy, Obi Master. Tara, tayo natin yun. Dapat pala tayo na una kasi Jay, no? Jay! Tara na, Jay! Punta na tayo dito, Jay! Jay, ba't sarado? Anong hi? Hi mo mukha mo. I'm waiting my time. Yun na. Pew! We escape. Hoy. Hi din. Rimik ka na. Tara na. Let's go na. Ba't? Graveyard. Yun. Dito. Dito ba talaga yan? Find it. Wala rito, wala. Find it. Find it. Where is... Ayun! Nakita ko na. Beep beep. Fireman found it. Maskman, sir. His time is running out. Hurry! You found the second clue. Congratulations. Prepare for fight. Oh, fight. You wanna fight? Yeah. Let's go na. We're going to fight. Ito yung mga ano ko. Favorite ko. Bakal. Uy, wala kang pamatpat. Ulo. Nandito. You're here. Fight! Takbo! Let's fight! Ba't dyan kayo pumupunta? Tama na. Ay! Uy, tama na. Mamamatay na ako. Ay, kabloated. Ligtas, hindi na. Ligtas. Jump in with the monster minions. Ay, nako, low health na talaga ako. We're getting closer. Let's go find the pizza. Ship. Pinaganap talaga kami ng chain na to. Hey, it's the mask monster. It costers. Uy. There's a third clue. Mask monster. You have two choices ahead of your choose wisely. You found the third clue. Congratulations. Good luck. There are two holes. We have to choose one. So dito tayo. Sorry. Ano? Bye-bye.